Okay, I've got a little bit of an update for you. I'm going to turn the camera around. Let's see. Okay, I had my foot surgery this morning at 9:30. It's now 3:15 p.m. So I'm doing pretty good. The surgery went really well. And so the doctor told me that I can't be up in my theater working on it. So I'm going to follow the doctor's orders and not go up there and work on the theater. I'm just going to stay down here and work on building the rear speakers, which I've got well underway. Actually did all of this yesterday before the surgery, but today I'm out here working on the subwoofers. I'm pressing in these, as you can show it on this one, these little nuts that the 18-inch Ultimaxes will screw into. And I've got my little press here, so I'm working on pressing those in, and I've got a couple of them done already. Got to do a couple more, and then I've got the side pieces for the baffles over here that I'll start gluing all this up, and then there's some more of the parts over there. So hopefully I can get these glued up today and get that underway. And I've got some of that, was it Duratex or something? The black paint from Parts Express is on the way that I'll paint the rear speakers with, and also these subwoofer baffles. So these rear speakers are going to be inverted ground plane CBTs. So what's currently on the garage floor will be actually up against the ceiling, and then this other surface will be against the back wall to make the rear speakers. And it's going to be using the same drivers that I have in the side surround speakers. So, which is the little, I think it's a Peerless 5-inch mid-bass and the GRS planar tweeters, 11 of the mid-bass drivers and 12 of the tweeters in each line. So I'm going to try to get those built here in the next few days and get that going and get those installed, and then also try to get these subwoofers. When I get those built, it's going to be a little bit more challenging to install those because I have got to climb around in the attic to do it. So I might have to wait, give these a few days to recover. The doctor says 4 to 6 weeks recovery time before I go back to work. So that's going to give me time to get some stuff done on the theater. Now, I try to follow the doctor's orders, like not being up in the theater working on it, and instead being down here in the garage building speakers. But he also told me to keep them elevated, and unfortunately the reserve parachute is out of date on both my rigs, so I'm not sure what I can do to keep them elevated. I don't like really jumping rented gear, so I guess I'll have to see if I can get a rigger to get one of my reserves repacked, and then I can keep the feet elevated to 13,000 feet. I think that would probably satisfy the elevation thing for them. But anyway, I guess it's probably just for the best anyway, because instead of going out skydiving, I should probably be working on getting this stuff built. But anyway, that's the update for now. I'm hoping to be able to do updates every few days, or maybe once a week or something, while I'm here recovering from this surgery and getting some of this stuff built. So that's the update for now.